The state government has raised concerns over the illicit collection and extortion of funds by individuals and pressure groups. The Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong, in response to the recent arrest of the President of the HYC East Khasi Hills, blessed Dkhar, asserted that no one is immune to the law in matters of unlawful activities and therefore those involved in such cases must be held accountable.
Nobody should be above the law, be it anybody. Kino pi ong campaign ni senlang pi ong giseng ne kino. Kabanga request na kaliang jong ka government tolong ba ngimday ban cross iya ka baw nilay yano yanuro dar pi ong extortion la ni kino ki illegalities sngaw ba ban Dkhar burom ya kaan burom lem ya ki paj ba jong ke jela mek ra jong pi to ka jing pun kami kesem halang nangampong kumu udah malwaya mentai kata kasyong hagiseng halang bre ada gidon kan untuk je snow kina high clarification dengan mangi ya bengikem ya criminal la pilong na kanu ka seng la kanu kaniam na kanu ka kontoy la kanu ka snong katangim ong dan lay ha bengikem kamot bengikem ya ki kam ki criminal activities ki criminal tenak la daw mo ki ngim ong kanu ya ki seng ne ki bombe